to my YouTube. We made it to the train station, which is where the lighting is taking place.
This is how they did
Telegraph.
telegraph system in Morse code. See,
Hi, Santa!
not a fan, he ran away.
Is that?
That's a fake belly.
Tonight, as we light up
Can you not?
Peppermint stick.
let us also light up our hearts over this holiday season.
Yes.
Let's look for ways to be generous with our... Okay. Santa, can you count us down?
What are we supposed to look at? A tree?
10, 9, 8,
It's so tiny.
7, 6, 5,
4, 3, 2, 1. Oh. Wait. The tree didn't come. Uh-oh. Yay! Wait a minute. Wait a dang minute.
Santa actually ho-ho laughs.
That sums up Oakland.
Yes. This was very anticlimactic. Climatic? Wait, how do I say it? Oh, there it goes. Get it. Yeah, girl. Season's greetings. I'm making my morning coffee. I thought that as I make my coffee, we could just chat for a minute. It's December now. Happy Vlogmas, day 2. We went a few nights ago, as you could tell, with some friends and my brother and sister-in-law, and Oakland had this like tree lighting, which is like such a stereotypical like small town event. Like it was so funny because like everything went wrong. It was pretty like underwhelming, but it was still really fun. I'm really excited for Vlogmas. I've never done anything like this before. So basically I am going to try my darndest to make 12 videos in the month of December. I need to write a new Bible verse. I do almost every month. I do a new Bible verse, and then it like challenges me to like read it and memorize it. So I might do like either a Bible verse or like a Christmas song, because it's good. I have a pretty normal work week this week. We've got random things planned. I am really excited to take you guys along when we have like our fun like holiday parties with friends and everything like that. Also, I need to do a little bit more gift shopping. I almost have completely everything done, which is amazing. And I have a lot of stuff wrapped as well, but there's just a few things that I'm still waiting on, or I just need to go out and purchase. We do like a 12 days of Christmas for either shut-ins, widowers, elderly couples from our church. Brady and I are doing 12 days of Christmas for this couple at my church who we love so much, and I am really excited. I have a really great devotional that I'm doing. This is the Paul David Tripp Everyday Gospel Christmas devotional, but it's basically an Advent, and it starts today. Brady and I are gonna do it this evening when he gets off of work. You read a passage, and then you read like the devotional that goes along with it, and then it has a place for prayer. I think it's just makes it really special and just gets you back to the real meaning of Christmas, which is not gifts. So I'm gonna finish my coffee. I'm gonna head to work for the day. Happy Tuesday. It's snowing outside so much, and I must have got a package yesterday and didn't know it because this was on the porch, and I'm so excited to open it. I am obsessed with this, and I immediately am going to make a coffee in this mug. Hey guys, I went to work, then I went to the gym, and I would rather die than show you the state of my bangs right now because I am so greasy and my forehead is sweaty and I wore a hat all day. Guys, I am going to take an everything shower, scrub my hair so good because it is so gross right now. And then I'm going to cook dinner, and then we're going to have a cozy night in and stuff like that. Okay guys, I took a shower. I'm still looking crazy just because my hair is air drying, but anyways, I feel so fresh. And I just made dinner. It's giving chicken meatball teriyaki, pineapple cucumber, kimchi rice.
It's giving exactly what you described it. Yep.
Yes. Good morning. I want to just say, this has been a very random vlog. But I think that's what Vlogmas kind of is going to be. I am going to try my darndest to do specifically Christmassy things in them so they're fun to watch. But yeah, this one was just a little weird. I didn't know how to feel about day 2. Anyway, happy day 2 Vlogmas. Have a great day. I'm gonna go to work. I'm drinking out of this mug again, of course. It's my new favorite. If I was a creature, I would want to be this badger. Okay, anyway. Have a great day, guys.